Now let's discuss the conversion of standard form to general form and vice versa. Let's first discuss the standard form and general form. So standard form is given as x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals to r squared, which h and k is the coordinate of the center of its circle and r is the radius. While general form is given as 8x squared plus by squared plus cx plus dy plus e equals to 0, whereas a is the coefficient of x squared and b is the coefficient of variable y with the power of 2, c as the coefficient of x with the power of 1, d is the coefficient of y with the power of 1, and e as the constant term. And it's equate to 0, and that is important. Now, what if we are given with standard form? How do we convert standard form to general form? So, let's see, we have x minus 2 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals to 25. So, how do we convert it to general form? So, first thing that we need to do is to solve these binomials or these two binomials and gets it squared. Now, x minus 2 squared is just x minus 2 times x minus 2. Okay? X minus 2 times x minus 2 plus y plus 3 times y plus 3 equals to 25. X times x is x squared. Negative 2x is negative, or negative 2 times x is negative 2x. X times negative 2 is also negative 2x. And negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Plus y times y is y squared. Y times 3 is 3y. 3 times y is also 3y. And 3 times 3 is 9 equals to 25. Now, combine like terms. X squared minus 4x plus 4 plus y squared plus 6y plus 9 equals to 25. So, transpose 25 so that it equates to 0. So, x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus y squared plus 6y plus 9 minus 25 equals to 0. The next thing that we need to do is to arrange this x squared plus y squared into the form of ax squared plus by squared plus cx plus dy plus e equals to 0. So ax squared is this. So x squared. By squared is this. So plus b or plus y squared. Plus cx or negative 4x. Plus dy or this 6y. Plus e or this negative 25. Now there is two more constant term here, which is 4 and 9. So we'll include that. And don't forget to equate it to 0. Now, we need to combine like terms. So, these are like terms. So, negative 25 plus 4 plus 9 So that is negative 12. Okay, since 4 plus 9 is 13 and 25 or negative 25 plus 13 is negative, or yeah, plus 13 is negative 12. So negative 12. Now we can write x squared plus y squared and write this as negative or minus 4x. I mean plus 6y minus 12 equals to 0. So this is our standard form or general form for this circle. Now let's have more example. What if we are given with the center and radius? So for example, we have 2 and negative 3 and a radius of 6. So how do we convert it to general form? So first thing that we need to do is to convert it first to standard form. Now standard form look like this. Okay, our h k here is 2 and negative 3. Okay, while our radius or r is 6. So let's input the values. So h is 2 or positive 2 plus y minus k or y minus negative 3 equals to r squared, which is 6 squared. Now let's solve. X minus 2 squared plus y plus 3 squared is equal to 6 squared, which is 36. So this is now our standard form. Now let's convert it to general form. So there is a shorter way to solve this square root of binomial, and that is to follow this form. A minus b squared is equal to a squared or minus 2ab, I mean minus 2ab plus b squared. Same as a plus b squared. A squared. In this time, that is plus 2ab plus b squared. So when a minus b squared, we will make the second term negative. But if it's a plus b squared, it is positive. So let's apply it here. So using this rule, we have x squared minus 2x or 2 times 2x, you know, plus, or I mean minus, am I right? Oh yeah, we're following this ano pala. So plus 2 squared. Alright, we're not done yet. Okay, so y squared plus 3 or 2 times 3y plus 3 squared equals to 36. Now, let's solve. So x squared minus 2 times x, that is negative 4x, plus 2 squared, which is 4. Y squared, bring down, plus 2 times 3y, that is 6y, plus 3 squared, which is 9, equals to 36. Now, let's transpose 36 to the left side. Okay, and let's make some space. Okay, now we can now follow the form of general form. That is x squared plus y squared, followed by variable with x, followed by a variable with y, and its constant term, which is negative 36 plus 9 plus 4 equal to 0. Now let's combine like terms. So copy, 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 and let's stop here. Since negative 3x, 9 and 4 are similar terms. Now, to combine them, we need to subtract negative 36. Or I mean, we need to combine this by adding 9 and 4 first. 13. Now, negative 36 plus 13 is negative 23. Therefore, this is our negative 23. And this is our general form. Now, the part of this video will be separated. So, yeah, thanks a lot.